Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trek across Vermont and New Hampshire, and we begin as US Highway 2 merges with US Highway 7 in the town of Colchester, Vermont. We're at US 2's mile 39 counting up and at US 7's mile 142 counting down. This concurrency will continue throughout this entire video. For the first time in a while, we have a rain-free video, although it remains overcast and looking like we could hit another downpour at any time. But we're approaching the end of the filming day for Tuesday, August 8th, 2023, and we were hoping for much better weather the next day. We're in Chittenden County, which we didn't talk about in the last video. Chittenden is the most populous county in Vermont, with an estimated population of 169,301 as of 2022. The county holds over a quarter of the state's population, more than twice that of Rutland County, the second most populous. It also has more than double the population density of Washington County, which falls in second place. Despite its population, Chittenden is the third smallest county by area. Named after Vermont's first governor, Thomas Chittenden, the county is home to major educational institutions, including the University of Vermont and Champlain College in Burlington, as well as several colleges in Colchester and other nearby towns. The area also hosts Global Foundries in Essex Junction, Vermont's largest private employer. Chittenden County is the location of Mount Mansfield, the state's highest peak at 4,393 feet above sea level. On the right is the northern terminus of locally maintained Vermont Route 127, and we'll see it once again in the next video with a curious signage anomaly. Route 127 makes a loop around the western portion of the Burlington Metro and becomes a limited-access Super 2 for a stretch north of the Burlington city limits. There's also a very short stretch of a Y junction a little ways back that's state-maintained but unsigned. We enter the city of Winooski, and US 2 and 7 become Main Street here. The city had a population of 7,997 as of the 2020 census. Winooski is the smallest city in the state by area, but is the most densely populated in northern New England. It covers just 1.51 square miles with a population density of 5,592 people per square mile. The city's name comes from a native term meaning land of the wild onion, and its southern boundary is formed by the Winooski River, also known as the Onion River. In the late 1830s, the river's power was used by the Burlington Mill Company to manufacture yarn and cloth. After the mill struggled, the American Woolen Company bought it in 1901, leading to economic growth in Winooski's incorporation as a city in 1922, separating from the town of Colchester. The mills closed in 1954, causing economic hardship, but in the 1980s, 2 of the old mills were converted into commercial and residential spaces, helping to revive the area. In 1979, there was a proposal to build a dome over the entire city to reduce winter heating costs, although this idea was later abandoned. Despite its absurdity, a city planner in 2009 defended the idea, claiming it would have made economic sense and allowed for year-round activities like fly fishing. Here, US 2 and 7 enter a large elongated traffic circle measuring 2 blocks north-south and 1 block east-west. Within the circle is the aptly named Rotary Park. At the Winooski River, we enter the city of Burlington, and the street name becomes Colchester Avenue. Once we've crossed the river, we'll bear right onto Riverside Avenue and follow the river a ways. We'll conclude today's video at US 2's mile 47 and US 7's mile 134. In our next video, we'll see more of the city of Burlington. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.